I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials, credentials, network access, and the correct client. First, place your API key where the client expects it. This authenticates every request. Once done, verify firewall rules and open required TCP ports so packets flow without blockage. Next, install the official Connect Ips tool or SDK. Use the supported version to avoid compatibility issues. Make sure DNS resolves service endpoints. If it does not, correct your resolver settings before proceeding to the live connection step. You now perform the authentication handshake and configure runtime options. Start the TLS handshake to exchange tokens and validate the certificate chain so communication is encrypted and trusted. Then, set sensible timeouts, retry logic, and concurrency limits to prevent overload. These parameters control reliability under load. After that, map endpoint URIs and required headers, and validate payload schemas against examples so requests succeed. Once configured, run a small test transaction you finish by validating the full flow and preparing for errors. Execute end-to-end tests to confirm correct responses, acceptable latency, and proper error codes so you catch issues early. Enable verbose logging and collect request/response pairs plus metrics. These traces tell you what went wrong when they do. If a failure appears, follow the recovery plan. Roll back recent config changes, refresh tokens, and restart the client gracefully to restore state. One key tip: if connections fail, check certificate trust and client clock skew first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.